Hey guys, Jason M today, and we're going to be talking about how to change your LG G2 into an LG G5. And the LG G2 simply doesn't want to die. This is a device that came out with Android 4.2.2 and now it's been moving up in software updates. It's gotten so many updates already and even so much love from the developer community. It even has flawless ROMs running on Android 6.0.1, which is absolutely incredible. But for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your LG G2 into an LG G5. This is an LG G2 custom ROM based on the LG G5 system, and to install this, you will need root and a custom recovery. Now, if you've never done anything like this, you may need to follow my video how to convert your LG G2 into an LG G4. But if you have a custom recovery and root, you shouldn't bother. Just follow on with this tutorial. First thing you need to do is download the files in the description. That will be the bootloader changer and also the ROM, the LG G5 ROM for the LG G2. Next up, you're going to need to transfer these files to your phone. After transferring them to your phone, all you need to do is reboot into recovery. In recovery now, you first want to do a backup to save all your stuff just in case anything gets lost. Backing up on a USB drive with a USB OTG cable is always a safe bet, and that's the best bet for me. Now what you need to do is to apply the bootloader changer. So you install the bootloader changer. When installing this, you have to choose a KitKat bootloader, as this ROM uses a KitKat bootloader. Then after this, it's going to reboot you back into recovery. When you're rebooted into recovery, all you need to do is do a factory reset and swipe to reset. After doing this, the next thing you need to do is install the ROM, which is very simple. You just click install, look for where you put the ROM on your device, and then click it and swipe to install. After the installation, just reboot and let the ROM reboot. This should take about a minute or two to reboot. When the reboot is done, you should see something in Vietnamese language, but don't freak out because this ROM was made by a Vietnamese dev. When the ROM boots up, actually you're going to see that it has different languages and you can put it to the language of your choice. And finally, you can see everything here just looks like the LG G5. From the different apps you have, everything is themed like everything on the LG G5. And it's not just theming it, it was actually based on the LG G5 ROM. So almost everything here looks like the LG G5. Notification drawer, the settings app, and all the LG apps in general. So that was it guys. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up down below and subscribe for more videos from my channel.